It's called Maker's Asylum.
Yes, Maker's Asylum. So I'll show you. So these are the kits that we have, different kind
Yeah.
of kits, okay? And these kits are for the kids, okay? I mean, it's from anyone from 13 years and above.
13 and above.
Yeah. So if you, for example, have this electronics kit,
I see.
are you recording?
Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry.
Don't put my audio.
Okay.
So if you see, this is the
Yeah.
electronics kit. That's how it looks.
Yeah,
Okay, and if you do, this is the unassembled one.
I see.
And once you take the session,
What would you
will-
get out from it?
This is what you
Robo?
will get out of it. Yeah.
Actually working?
Actually working. I'll just check.
I
if
see.
we can have, do we have a working robot? Can we
Interesting.
get that? So he's shooting, so he can put on the Moira Net group for us.
Interesting.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So we have these different kinds of kit. Like we have this soldering and PCB.
I see.
So you will be, the actual product will come out like this.
I see.
So
More
soldered-
electronics focused. like.
Yes. Okay.
And carpentry focused also?
Carpentry.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yes, I will show you.
Okay.
Don't worry. So these, and then we have a drone workshop.
Drone workshop.
Drone kit we have. You will get the actual drone you can make.
I see.
The IoT one is you will make a lamp like this,
I see.
which will be connected to internet.
I see. So you can switch it on and out from
Yeah,
anywhere.
And we have merchandise like we have
Okay.
t-shirts, we have bags and pins and diaries as well.
So what interest groups are you all aiming at? Electronics, carpentry?
Anyone, like it's an educational
Okay.
platform and it could be anyone from the age of 13 years can come.
But any particular sciences? Anything applied?
Vivek, would you like to answer this? What kind of
Any particular focus? Would it be electronics based, carpentry based?
Focus as like
Yeah, from interest point of view.
from interest point of view, like these courses are for anyone who are
Okay.
just exploring to learn or like
Tinkering
tinkering basically,
Yes.
yeah. Who want to tinker more into electronics, so we start with the basics where we are telling them like how they can start with the soldering, and then
Yeah.
we will like programming their first project, that is Flashbox, where we are programming Flashbox to like perform some particular actions like tensing and moving and
I see.
simulating your moves. So like once you get into that space, then you get a lot of exposure to new technologies, and also like
Builds your curiosity
yeah,
overall.
curiosity, yeah, definitely. Like you can do much more.
So these kind of centers exist in the big cities or?
Not everywhere you will see,
Okay.
but yeah, like in India again, like
North.
this is something which is now has
Captain
started
one.
to come up. Yeah.
we can show you around?
Yeah,
These are the
yeah,
3D
yeah.
printers that we
I
have.
see.
And there is something getting 3D printed as well.
I see.
So that's how it gets 3D
It's printing at the
printed.
moment?
Yes.
Oh gosh. Interesting.
Yeah, come. I'll show
Yeah.
you. एक second. So that it shows the platform.
This is an electric typewriter.
Yeah, this is the older typewriter we have.
Electric.
Yeah, I think so. This is
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Apple का first.
Apple computer.
the
Okay,
Apple one,
okay,
yeah.
okay. It's a computer
हाँ.
with some add-ons and screen and extra screen
Yes.
and sewing machine.
Yes. I mean, we just mix like it's a technology and your art together.
My son saw a typewriter and he was quite fascinated by it. He couldn't believe how a
Yeah?
typewriter works. Yeah, manual typewriter.
Luckily,
Totally
I
manual.
have seen a typewriter working.
No, I've worked on it. We've actually worked on it.
एक कुछ बना सकता. So this is our electronics lab
Yeah.
and our place, like it's a prototyping space. So where we do electronical work, like
I
you
see.
have these soldering table and
I
that
see.
you can work on. This is a laser machine. He'll try cutting and showing you something. हाँ.
Okay.
In the meanwhile, we'll just see the woodworking lab and come back.
And you all have any regular courses or off and on
Yeah,
programs?
we do have. So we have these, the kits that you see.
Yeah.
People can purchase these with the skills.
Yeah,
And this is our woodworking lab.
I see.
So that's your power tools. Those are your hand tools. So we have a woodworking workshop which happens every month, where
I
people
see.
come and make. So it's like from basic also you can start.
Wow.
For example, you would be making an organizer for yourself. So even if you have no idea, you must have ever not worked,
I see.
you would still In 2 days, you'll be learning to make an
Some product.
organizer for yourself. Yeah, the best is you'll learn how to work with the power tools and the hand tools.
You know, we have a village fair in Saligaon, and there was this boy who must be about 13 or 14, and done this amazing carpentry work. So I sent him, when I got your recent notification, I forwarded it to his.
Oh, nice. You can
Folks.
always ask him to drop by.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Nice. No problem. Getting the numbers in Goa is a challenge. Otherwise, it's a creative place in that sense.
Yes.
You know.
But we have, so because we do online education,
I see.
we have people all around India.
I see.
It's just not focused for Goa.
Website, Facebook, any page URL,
Yeah, we have Makers Asylum page.
Maker Asylum
Yes.
on Facebook.
Yes, on Facebook, on Instagram. So I'll show you the laser thing working.
How did you all get into this idea?
So Makers Asylum has been for the last 8 years. We're based out of Mumbai. We've just moved 1 year back to.
I see. Yeah, I noticed that. You all are tech people, or you all are design people, or both?
So you have like here people come from different skill set. You can have arts people, you can have a designing people, like different kind of people. So it would not be focused just for one person. That's why we will never say that we are focused only for one thing. So there will be design, there will be art, there will be tech, everything together.
Very interdisciplinary kind of.
Yes.
So this is art made out of PCBs.
Yeah. Even our table is made out of the board of this.
Oh gosh. I didn't notice that. Abroad there are a lot of these, no?
What?
These types of centers are quite they
Yeah.
have a lot abroad, but it's something.
Not in India.
So at the moment, what are you all offering to students?
So basically, we are offering a lot of skill-based courses.
I see.
So
How long?
Yeah, so there are like a lot of offerings right now. Majorly, like recently, we have started DIY hour.
Sorry,
DIY hour.
DIY.
DIY hour. So where we are calling all these kits. So we have customized like a list of projects that we are helping them to like build.
Like?
here. Like
So
there is.
anyone up over the age of 8 can come here so that they learn from the basics. The ground levels can start with where they see things and they start working on smaller projects. So by the time they are at the age of 14, 16, they are well equipped with all of this. He's going to show you how the laser works.
Yeah.
What's your name?
So Frederick. Norona.
Okay.
Yeah.
I do see your post.
Yeah. Okay.
Frederick
Yeah. And DIY hour timing? Any fixed timing? Any
So
fixed
it
day?
is on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I guess.
Yeah, it's
Here.
pronounced Tuesdays and Thursdays. Yeah, that's
1
correct.
hour.
Here, not
Yes.
online.
1 hour in this space.
Not online.
So you come here and then we provide you all the tools and
I see.
our experts will guide you with all these projects.
Flexible.
Flexible, yeah.
Timing is flexible.
As of now, I think yeah.
We
I
will
think,
be able to
post-
work on that part.
Okay.
We are planning.
Post lunch.
Yeah.
So like some of our projects includes like repairability, where you bring anything which is broken at your home and we might work around and fixing it.
I see.
These kits. Then some of the tools requires like electronics, some of the tools are like non-technical, like some of the projects. So that entirely depends on the list of projects to give them like overall understanding
I
of
see.
how technology works and to give them that mindset of a maker.
Yeah.
You can see how the
Yeah.
You can keep it open.
No, that laser moves.
These are cutting? What?
Yes.
Yeah, you will be able to see.
You can record it.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah. I see.
And then engraving it.
I see. Very interesting. Right. So basically electronics, carpentry,
Electronics, carpentry, then we have drone. and-
Drone.
Yeah, drone, and then we have Internet of Things. That's again a part of electronics. You
Yeah.
can say. And we have CAD designing, where we are helping them to like learn like Fusion 360 and CAD software to design like you can say like 3D
I
models.
see.
And then we have augmented reality, virtual reality.
Sorry?
Augmented
Augmented
reality,
AR,
virtual
VR.
reality. Yeah. We have like 8 courses as of now that we are offering.
I see.
Yeah.
On the website, the details will be
The list is available. So all these courses are meant for students who are like 13 plus of age. And yeah, we start with the basics and then they have.
I see.
a lot to learn.
very interesting. Thanks.
Thank you. They stay in Moira, right?